It begins deep underground, in the fiery heart of a volcano. Water mixing with molten rock, pressure building until finally finding a violent, spectacular release. The trapped water in the viscous, superheated rock flashes to steam, blasting the magma into a frothy stone that cools, hardens, and falls to the earth as pumice, a foamed glass stone that is hard yet friable, non-crystalline in structure, and naturally calcined. A combination of characteristics that make pumice incredibly useful to a variety of industries. In the southeast corner of the state of Idaho lies a vast reserve of pure white pumice that is in demand all over the world. That demand is the result of two factors: the quality and brightness of the pumice, and the company that mines and refines it, Hess Pumice. Founded on good fortune and nurtured by hard work and optimism, we at Hess Pumice understand that we have a natural advantage, one that we never take for granted. We also understand that while we know pumice, our customers know what they need the pumice to do for them. And developing a pumice product to meet those exacting specifications is what makes us the world leader in supplying highly refined pumice to industry. In continual operation since 1958, we stay committed to the ideals that made us world-class. To refine pumice to the highest standards of grading accuracy and quality control, consistently on spec and on time. We continue to invest in our refinement technology to develop high-end supply chain capability, to conduct consistent scientific research on our product, to relentlessly pursue new industries and uses for our pumice, and diversify our client base. Such vision and investment are necessary to sustain stability and supply pumice products across the industry spectrum and across the globe. It makes good business sense for you to work with suppliers who are as committed to excellence as you are. And when it comes to supplying high-quality pumice, nobody is more committed than Hess. We take our reputation seriously. That reputation was first built in the world market for industrial abrasives, primarily those companies manufacturing television glass. Tirelessly refining and tweaking our process and gradation capabilities, our pumice soon dominated the market, selected by those even with a local pumice supply nearby. From that beginning, we have continued to invest in innovative processing methods and capacity while developing new markets for our exceptional white pumice. For example, through sponsored research and ongoing marketing, we are leading the way in the renaissance of pumice as the ideal concrete pozzolan, helping the construction industry rediscover the significant performance boost provided by adding natural pumice pozzolan to concrete mix designs. The Romans used pumice as a key component to a strong, durable concrete. Concrete so incredibly enduring that many of their constructs still stand today, some 2,000 years later. The high-performance cements used by leading oil well servicing companies use our POS. Hess POS is the key ingredient in a strong, ultrafine cementitious grout used to stabilize weak soils and seal leaks in dams, tunnels, sewers, and mines. Our POS is also used by those in the precast concrete industry who need consistency and brightness to go along with impermeable strength and durability. Our POS is also the consistently performing, pure, non-hazardous alternative to the fly ash used by the ready-mix industry in roads, bridges, buildings, and other infrastructure projects. We developed 6 gradations of non-crystalline silica for the paint, industrial coatings, plastics, and rubber industries as a high-performance alternative to unsafe crystalline fillers and extenders. We also supply pumice for horticulture, reclamation, filtration, cleansing products, and even blast mitigation needs. We know how critical a smooth-running supply chain is to you. Product must arrive when needed, on spec, packaged conveniently, and shipped by the most economical means possible. While most of our pumice goes out in 44-pound bags, we package and ship pumice in a variety of ways, from canisters as small as 2.5 pounds up to bulk rail cars carrying 100 tons each. We ship by truck in bulk, trailer, PD intermodal, or ocean container, and by rail in boxcar, covered hopper, open hopper, or PD. We ship to 23 countries on 6 continents. We are, quite honestly, very good at logistics. If you use pumice, or wonder if one of the many useful properties of pumice may have a place in your product or industrial process, give us a call and we'll explore the possibilities with you. We stock over 30 standard grades. If one of them doesn't meet your needs, we'll blend one that does. Of course, we know engineers often prefer to put their trust in the results they document in their own labs, and we're more than happy to accommodate such testing and research. We'll come out and work shoulder to shoulder with you, or simply send samples for testing and stay out of the way. Either way, we'll do what we can to help you know what you need to know. For 4 generations, we've been committed to mining and refining the world's purest commercial deposit of white pumice. Additional information about the uses of pumice, technical specs, grades, chemical analysis, and more can be found on our website, hesspumice.com.